Hello and welcome to my channel. I like to build apps and Chrome extensions and games. So today we are going to build a sports bar app. Now I've already built some of it right here. It's called Sport Bar Coyotes. It is, well, a sports bar that my wife owns, and I am building an app for her. I haven't told her yet, but I am building an app for her. So we are going to basically, we can start it. Hold on. Let's go into it and we can see exactly what we're building. Or similar to it. I'm going to be using ChatGPT to fast track it, and I've been using ChatGPT to build it from the beginning, basically, because I'm using React Native and I'm not very used to React Native, but I can kind of see what all the things do because I'm familiar with JavaScript. So it's a learning curve, but I'm getting there pretty fast with ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and go into it. Desktop. Wait. Stop spacing it. Good God. Okay. Sport bar coyote. I think I spelled that right. Yes, I did. Okay. Uh, NPX, if I remember correctly, Expo start. Okay, there we go. Now let's go ahead and control and click. And of course, it's on my right screen. Good God. Okay. So this is basically what it looks like. We have the home screen, we have the menu screen with some of the things that are, well, it's not even some of the things that are on the menu. This is kind of a example. So I gotta add the rest of the things that are on the menu. But anyways, let's see. We have events. Well, we'll do a bunch of events with a scroller and then a profile picture. And the profile is going to have games on it, because you'll be able to earn points for stuff. Like, let's say um, there's a game where you basically have to get to a certain point and then find a prize. And the prize will basically be like 25% off or something like that. And then you can take it to the bar, uh, scan the item, and then you get 25% off food or drinks. Then there will be a spinning wheel, which basically is every 24 hours, which you can spin and either get like a percent off or like free french fries with your hot dog or whatever. So there's a couple of games that you can play on the profile area that will add prizes or points. And after a certain amount of points, you get, let's say, a free hot dog or a free beer or something like that. So, and basically, you just keep coming in, and every time you come in, you get a point. So, the more points you have, the more free stuff you get. And I'll put ads on the games also, and just go from there. So, there's there's a couple ways that you can make money from the app. Plus, I'll add Stripe, so if they want to do like a reservation, they can put some money down on the reservation, and then she'll hold a table or whatever. If she wants to use this, that's awesome. If she doesn't, that's fine too. It's something for the portfolio. But I think it's quite awesome. So let's go ahead and shut this down, and we'll close that, and then we'll make a new directory in the desktop. All right. Make directory. Test bar. Why not? Okay. CD test bar. Okay. So we'll delete some of those. Okay. I'll probably edit that out so you guys don't see that stuff. I forgot to close it before I started the video. So, anyways, let's do this. Okay. So making the app again for a video. Need to make a sport bar app called Coyote. No. Sport bar Coyote. No, okay. So it needs home menu. Okay, so nav bar needs home crap. I shouldn't have shut it down. It was home. Let's see if I have it on my phone. If it's still open on my phone. Good God. Ah, something went wrong. Something gone. I should have took a screenshot. Oh well, it is what it is. Home. Oh yeah, home menu, events, and profile. Home menu, events, profile. There we go. All right. Let's start by creating the app. Well, I've never seen it do this before, so. Because usually it's create Expo and then Sport Bar Coyote. So, I guess we'll see. I will be right back for a second. Hold on. Alright, I am back. So, we're gonna do that in here. Create Expo 4.1. Yep. Alright, for learning with Expo Go, why not? Almost there. There we go. Should be done soon. Alright. So now we're going to CD into Sport Bar Coyote. And then we will do NPX Expo and start. Alright, so now if you have the Expo app on your phone, which I don't know if you can see that right there. Can't really see it, but it's basically an arc. So it's called Expo Go. Yeah, you can't really see it that well. Okay. So now we're going to scan this QR code. And it's loading. And we can also open it in the web area. Well, this is different. So it says tab 1, open. Well, we can just show you on here. It'll be much easier. And I'll take a screenshot of this so you can see the phone version too. Okay, so this is exactly what it says on the phone also. And I'll put it right here. So now we need to open this in Visual Studio Code. Good God, I can't think right now. Okay, so CD. Well, instead of doing that, you know what? I'll just go here and here, and then open it up right here. And of course, it opens up on this side. Good God. Okay. So now we've got everything we need right here. And we'll go into tabs, and we have index, which is the main thing, which is what we are going to delete, because we don't need it. But what we do need, good God, let's make that a little bit smaller. No, not the whole thing. There we go. Alright. It is what it is. Okay, so now we need menu.tsx, events, and profile. So menu.tsx. Yeah, events.tsx and profile. .tsx, which is basically TypeScript. All right, so those are good. Apps tab folder. Okay. Let's see. It was desktop. Test bar, Coyote. Open. No. Yeah, I know. I did too many at once. Okay, there we go. Close. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so yeah. I did the wrong ones. Okay. We're gonna do event, index, menu, and that. Really? Why is that not wanting to show up? What? .tsx. Those should be good. I don't know what's going on with that. Okay. So we're gonna take that. Put that in here. Index. So menu. Events. And profile. I don't know that I need this. Let's delete it and figure it out later. Alright. So now that should be good. Let's see if it updated. Okay, so we'll hit Control C and then restart it. Alright. Sport Bar Coyote. That's good, but we need... What's going on here? Oh, I do need the layout. Okay. So, what I'll do... Alright. Because that is the nav bar. Alright. There we go. Now we got home, menu, events, and profile. Good stuff. And our profile thing up top. Alright, so now we can go logo, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I gotcha. Alright. So let's go ahead and add the, well, let's see what it looks on the phone. Alright, so clear that, and we will do that. Okay, I gotta... So it didn't update on the phone, which means I have to go into Expo, go into the information area, and then force stop it because it's still loading the last one. I really hope they fix that because that's kind of annoying to have to reset it the whole time. So now we're loading it at 100% again. And now it's good to go. So it looks exactly like this on the phone. Nice. Looks good. Okay. So now let's do, we'll work on the menu. So, well, let's do it in order. Let's do the home first, then the menu, then the rest. Alright, so let's see. The home page needs, well, hold on, because we have styles right here. So, and I don't want that. I want styles on a different page because it's going to be a lot of styling. So we need to have styles on separate files. home style, menu, style, event, style, and profile style. Good stuff. Okay, so now we need to create a folder for styles, and then we need home, menu, and profile. .ts for TypeScript style, I think is what TS is. I'm not sure exactly. It was home, menu, event or events? Events, I think. No, just event. Okay. No. And profile. All right. So now I need to open up all of those. So we'll do menu, or no, we'll do home, so home style, menu style, make sure I save that, event, and just for right now to get a template going, I'll change it later. Because we want to fast track it, and then once it's all built, then we can make small changes, and then it doesn't take as long. So, alright, now I need, save that. Yeah, I know, you're throwing an error at me, because I messed you up. Okay. Now it's working again. Okay. Awesome. Menu. Yeah, you're gonna be pissed off at me again, but that's okay. I don't care. And then I don't think I have. No, I don't have styles. Okay. So now it should be good. Oh, nice. It added. Where is the profile? Why is the profile not showing up? What the heck? Okay. Layout. Function layout. What am I missing? Home. Alright, we got home, we got menu, events, and profile. So, what's going on here? Oh, that's why. Okay. So, somewhere along the lines, I messed up on that. Eey. Okay. Alright. That should be good now. There we go. Michael. Events. Chicken wings. And sports bar. Nice. Okay. Good to go. So, now that that is done, we're at 24-minute mark. So, I think I'm gonna call this a video. We have got a template, and then we'll work on home in one video, menu in another, events in another, and profile is probably gonna take a lot more because we're doing games also on the profile and points. So, and we need to do a sign in button at the top. Well, no, we need to do a sign in on the profile page. So I'll probably put a sign in button somewhere right here or right here, and then it'll have profile image and points and games and all that kind of stuff. Alright, so this video is basically done. So that's how you use ChatGPT to fast track a template with React Native. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe so you can follow for more. Alright, I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.